Hello and welcome to Gizmo Guru. This here is the Lure Soundbox, the latest and high-end iPhone docks to make it to India. The dock market is booming right now and the Soundbox is an entry-level dock for its segment. Priced at 49,000 rupees, it's really in competition mostly with the Bose SoundDock 10. Now you can see that it's a great looking speaker. The sides are covered in fabric while the top surface here is this metal inlay. The inlays come off like so, and you can choose from a range of other colors and finishes for both the inlay and the fabric. The bright colors and sleek lines are fairly characteristic of the brand, and it looks really great around the house, especially because most other electronic products are bland and grey. The other thing that makes the Soundbox home friendly is that it isn't very big and it weighs just 5 kilos, so you should be able to set it up anywhere you want. So, how do you use this thing? Well, there's a lot of options actually. First up, you've got the 30-pin connector over here, which is for the iPods and iPhones. Now, next to it is a USB port in case you want to play music off a pen drive or an MP3 player or an Android phone. The Soundbox is also one of the few docks to have a CD player built in, so you can pop in a CD just like this and go. Now, at the back, there's a radio receiver, and if your device isn't supported, there's also a 3.5mm input near the power cord, which will take an input from any source, so you could plug your TV or DVD player into the Soundbox as well. Now, of course, the most important thing is sound quality, and that's where this dock comes a little short. Let me just show you. So I'm just going to plug in the iPod, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit play, okay, and let me crank up the volume. So you can see that the sound dock gets pretty loud. It has two 4-inch stereo speakers, but the sound isn't as clean at high volumes as it is on, say, the Bose SoundDock 10. The bass gets muddy at high volumes, and so this isn't really the set for an audiophile. Still, the sound quality will be good enough for most people, and the cheerful looks of the Soundbox will make it worth the money for people who are looking to buy a premium dock. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching.